As I was requested, today we are going to look at the mail merge feature. And this mail merge feature, it is the feature that is found in word processing that allows a user to send one copy to many recipients, given that you have a list of people that you want to receive your letter. Like you don't want to do that donkey work. That donkey work of writing individual names and positions and so on. So first of all, we have two ways of doing this. We can use the same folder like this one. It has two issues. It has the letter, a file, and the recipient as a file. So with those ones, you can usually merge, because recipients, when you check, recipients is a table, and then this is a table of recipients, and then we are having our letter all in the same folder. What you need to know is you need to master your folder where it is found. Alternatively, when we are going to mail merge, we can use also, we can type our names as we are going to see. So here we go. Given that I've typed my letter, it is this. This is my letter from blah blah blah. Then when you want to mail merge, please, mail merge means putting something together. So you're going to merge the files together, so all the messages together. So what you're going to do, this is my name, blah 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 blah. I'm writing a letter to. So when you check in the table 2, we are having here our table. Our table is having the name and the position. Please, we merge the positions, not the name of individuals. We merge the position, not the name of individuals. Or we merge the titles, not the name of individuals. Give an example here. The title, we are having a name and a position. So after mastering that, here we go. Here we go. So when you're going to mail merge, if you're going to mail merge, you're going to open your letter. Given that I'm having this letter, this is my letter, and I'm going to mail merge these positions. Remember, the other table is having a position and a name, and here when you look, I'm having a position and I'm having a name. If you want to change this name or the position in any style that you want, you can do it right here now. Given that I'm having the position, it is here, and this position, I'm going to highlight it. Now I want it to be in a certain thing that as I'm going to edit. So I want it to have a color that is red. I want it to have size 14, and I want it to be in copper black as the font face. Then the name, I'm going to change this name here, and I'm going to highlight the name. I want it also to have size 14. I want it to be in Algerian, and I want it to be bold. Then this one, I want it to be like that. Then the size 14, yes, it's enough. After that, after editing that, so I want all my names that come to be having a position of a color that is red and copper black as font face, and the name as it is there. So let's go. So you click in mailings. After clicking in mailings, please click start mail merge. Start mail merge, and then I'm going to merge a letter. I'm going to merge a letter. So you click in a letter. Then afterwards, you come to the next feature here, which is select recipients. Recipients be bantu abagenda okola ki okufuna our letter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click there. After clicking there, you see there is this feature, type a new list. You can type your list from there. Alternatively, you can use the thing that I'm going to use. I'm going to say use existing list, because I already typed it there. Then you come and you navigate where your folder is located. So my folder is located on the desktop, and after that you look for that folder. Then this is my folder that I used, and I have my recipients there. After clicking in the recipients, it means that you have combined the two files together. The file that is having the recipients' names and this letter that we are using. So you can highlight this position here. Make sure that you add the field. You say insert the merge field, and then you say I want position there, and then Afterwards, you can as well select this name here, and then you say insert merged field, and then you say I want a name there. So the merged field, you have those tags like those ones, so you can decide to put in a position that you want. Like mine, I want it here, and also I want this one here. So we can preview our results. When you click on preview results, the position is there, that is ID teacher Mrs. Secret, and then when you go to next, that is teacher Senaulia Joseph, and the next, that is Mr. Mukasa Ibrahim Basa. So there we go to the next thing. Seems that we are finishing up our merge. So after that, you see that the position is this mail merge has gone into our table and picked the names of those people and their positions, and has brought them directly to this letter. So there you go to finish mail merge. So you say you can either choose to send emails, because we use it when you're going to send emails to many people. Alternatively, we are going to say edit individual documents. We are going to merge to new document, you see. So we are going to merge all records. Then we say okay. So when you see the pages here down have changed from page 1 up to page 3. So page 1 you're having that person Secret. Page 2 we are having teacher Senavulia, and page 3 we are having Basa Mukasa Ibra. And I think they are in that order when we check in our table. So our table is here. When you see number 1 is Secret, number 2 Senavulia, number 3 is Mr. Mukasa Ibrahim. After finishing this, up here on the file name, you can see that the file name has changed. Since we have finished the mail merge, it will make this one a new document. So we need to change this one from letter 1 to any name of our choice. So you come to file and choose save. So shortcut menu, you come, you save it as what? I'm going to save it as merged letter, and I'm going to save it where? I'm going to also to save it in my folder that is having the other letter and the recipients, and my folder is here, and then I say open. Afterwards, we have 2 files there. I'm going to add the 3rd file, which is this is letter, and then you see we are having 2 files. I'm going to add another file by saving it. So that is it with a mail merge. Next on agenda, it will be your wish.